I am currently replacing staves on my wattle border. Last year I had to replace some of the weaving materials, and this year my staves are giving out, so you can see. Okay, so here I've cut some more staves that are going to be used to replace the existing ones, and you can see that it's in varying degrees. Like, this looks really great. That's still in pretty good condition in terms of the weavers, and that's really not. So parts of this I'm going to redo, and then we're going to kind of see how it goes, but I'll keep adding them. And then in the meantime, say hello to my little friend. Hi there. There's been 4 of them in my backyard, so it's pretty cool. I think thicker will last longer. And this one I peeled off the bark as an experiment, just to see what happens. This one you can see I left the bark on. So I'm just gonna try to jimmy this guy in here. And basically what I do to try to catch it, and this isn't gonna be perfect because some of my weavers are rotting out anyway and need to be replaced. But you just kind of twisty. And I've cut these at a 45-degree angle. There we go. And then I'm just gonna hammer that in with a hammer. Okay, so you can see where I've hammered in the new stave. And now this old one, I can just pull out. So one more time on the how you twist it. So I'm replacing this stave, and so this is actually a really good area of it where I'm trying to preserve what I can of the wood. And you can watch, I just twist and let the 45-degree angle kind of sink into its grooves until I feel it get to the bottom. And then I'm gonna hammer it in. So, a second. So now it's in, and I can pull out, well, hopefully I can pull it out. Okay, so I got it out, and I'm actually shocked it's in this good of condition. And so I'll just repeat that process. I think using thicker ones to go around the corner is probably going to be better. This is my 2nd year with this thing, and it's great. So, Deer approves.